Hi, I'm Kevin Cheung and I'm an associate here at FH&P Lawyers. A question that we get asked often is how do we plan for incapacity? And generally speaking, the two ways to plan for incapacity is to have a power of attorney and a representation agreement. The power of attorney appoints somebody to deal with your financial matters when you are incapable of making financial decisions or decisions over your assets on your own. Generally, people usually appoint an immediate family member, but it could be anyone ranging from a close friend or relative to a trust company. This person or entity would deal with banking, paying your bills and expenses, dealing with your taxes, keeping your money safe and investing your money as appropriate. Usually these power of attorney documents are fairly straightforward and it's generally a painless procedure. The representation agreement sometimes it's called a living will or a power of attorney for personal care, but in BC we call it a representation agreement. And this is a document that appoints somebody to have the legal authority to make health care and end-of-life care decisions on your behalf when you're incapable of doing so. Again, usually it's a close family member or even a close friend that people appoint. And usually there's some fairly difficult questions about what your wishes are for end-of-life care, such as under what circumstances should you be kept alive. It's important to have conversations with your loved ones and whoever you appoint about your wishes. The documents, the will, a power of attorney, and a representation agreement, these are relatively inexpensive documents when compared to the cost of litigation. And litigation over a will or over who gets to take care of you when you're incapable can be very expensive. The risk of litigation can be minimized with proper and thorough planning. If you don't have a document like a power of attorney or a representation agreement, the public guardian and trustee can take control over your assets and yourself and make decisions for you. At FH&P Lawyers, we have a number of lawyers here who can assist you in your estate planning or planning for incapacity, and we certainly do have the lawyers that can take on the litigation needs related to these areas if you need it.